Welcome back to Fact Fusion Network. Today, we're diving into one of the most intriguing and mind-bending topics that has fascinated humanity for centuries: time travel. Is it just a concept confined to the realms of science fiction, or could it become a reality in the future? Let's explore the science, theories, and possibilities together. So, buckle up because this journey will take us through the fabric of time itself. Section 1. The origin of time travel in science fiction. Time travel has been a staple of science fiction for over a century. From H.G. Wells' The Time Machine to blockbuster movies like Back to the Future and Interstellar, the idea of moving through time has captured our imagination. But why are we so fascinated by this concept? Perhaps it's the idea of revisiting the past, correcting mistakes, or getting a glimpse of the future. These stories often explore the consequences of altering time, posing complex questions about fate, destiny, and the very nature of reality. But what if I told you that time travel isn't just a fantasy? Some scientists and theorists believe that, under the right conditions, time travel might actually be possible. But before we get into the science, let's take a quick look at the history of this concept in literature and pop culture. Section 2. The science behind time travel. Now, let's shift gears from fiction to science. Time travel is deeply connected to the theories of space-time, which is the fabric of the universe itself. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, time and space are interconnected, forming what we call the space-time continuum. Massive objects like stars and planets create curves in space-time, and the more massive an object, the more it can bend time. One of the key concepts here is time dilation, where time moves slower the closer you are to a massive object or the faster you travel. This has been experimentally confirmed with atomic clocks in airplanes and satellites. But does this mean we can travel back in time? Section 3. The theories and possibilities. Now let's dive into some of the theories that suggest time travel might be possible. One of the most popular ideas is the concept of a wormhole. Imagine space-time as a piece of paper folded in half, with a wormhole acting as a tunnel connecting two distant points. In theory, if you could pass through a wormhole, you could move through time as well as space. However, creating or stabilizing a wormhole would require negative energy or exotic matter, something that remains purely theoretical at this point. Another theory involves traveling at near the speed of light. According to relativity, as you approach the speed of light, time slows down for you relative to an outside observer. This means that, in theory, you could travel into the future. Section 4. The challenges and paradoxes. But time travel isn't without its challenges, especially when it comes to traveling to the past. One of the most famous problems is the grandfather paradox. Imagine you go back in time and accidentally prevent your grandfather from meeting your grandmother. If they never met, you wouldn't exist, which means you couldn't have gone back in time in the first place. This kind of paradox creates logical inconsistencies that are difficult to resolve. Scientists have proposed various solutions, such as the idea of alternate timelines or the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics, where every possible outcome creates a new parallel universe. But these ideas remain speculative. Section 5. The future of time travel research. Despite the challenges, research into the nature of time and space continues to push the boundaries of our understanding. While we might not be building time machines anytime soon, advancements in quantum physics and our understanding of the universe could one day make time travel a reality, or at least bring us closer to understanding whether it's possible. For now, time travel remains a tantalizing possibility, one that continues to inspire both scientists and storytellers alike. Who knows, maybe one day, the lines between science fiction and science fact will blur, and we'll be able to journey through time. So, is time travel just a fantasy, or could it be our future reality? The truth is, we're still searching for answers. But the quest for knowledge is what drives human progress. If you enjoyed this exploration into the mysteries of time travel, make sure to like this video, share it with fellow science enthusiasts, and subscribe to Fact Fusion Network for more fascinating content. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and stay curious.